Good morning, children. Good morning, ma'am. Okay, so today we will do an activity. What activity? Origami activity. These papers are called origami paper. These papers are called origami paper. Yes, and with this paper today we will make a dog. Yes. So are you all excited? Yes. Are you all excited? Yes. Now let's start, okay? So this is a square paper. See? What is the shape of this paper? Square. Say it loudly. Square. Very good. Now we will make it a triangle. How? We will fold the paper like this. Okay? We will fold the paper and make a triangle. Big triangle. Now we will make small triangle. The bottom part, we will fold the bottom part and make a small triangle. This is the top of the dog. Now, the top portion. This is the top portion, right? We will again fold one side of the top portion. Okay? This is another triangle. And the same way, we will fold like this. So this has become the ears. See? It's the face of the dog. These are the ears. And this is the tongue. So total how many triangles we have made? 1, 2, and 3. Very good.
Pips, squeaks, zip, zip, beep, 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 beep. Kick, kick, cup, cup, coo-foo. Coo-foo. Billy see, tickly, lollipop chew. Blah, blah, riddle it, toot, toot, polyarch.
Sit straight and do. Yes. And a big tongue you have to draw. Big tongue.
Pips, squeak, zip, zip,
Like
beep,
this.
beep. Chicky, cup, cup,
Erase this part.
coo-foo. Coo-foo. Billy see, tickly, lollipop chew. Blah, blah, riddle it, toot, toot, polyarch.
Now everyone write 3 sentences on my dog. You know you can say 3 sentences on my dog? Can you say? Tell me, Akshita. Very good. Can anyone say about a dog, pet dog? Hitansh, tell me.
Dog is animal.
Pet animal. So you have to write 3 sentences on my pet dog. Write it down.
I love my pet dog.
Okay, children, are you all enjoying?